Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how can we make file upload or download system on live server using Python. We are already known about creating database and doing operations related to it like creating the table, accessing the data from the database, etc. But here we are just going to learn how to upload or download files on live server. Suppose you are making any live student management system, library management system, hospital management system, or like this any of the software, then this thing will be needed to upload files like user profile, user data, any db file, any text file, etc. Before starting, I want to remind you that you must have bought any hosting and you have access to cPanel of them. Okay, so I hope guys you have. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need to open command prompt and open with administrator, and here type pip install ftpretty. Okay, and now hit enter. I have already installed this. Okay, I have already installed this and it is showing out that requirement already satisfied. Okay, if you have not, then you can use pip command for this. Okay, so this will be the module which will control the file transfer protocol. Okay, so this will be the module to upload or download on the server. So let's get started. I have made a folder here and I named it as file upload download server. Okay, and under this I have a file here which is right now empty, and as you can see this file name is file underscore uploader.py. Okay, so let's get started with making the thing. So guys, first of all you will need to import ftpretty class from ftpretty module. So I will call here from ftpretty import ftpretty. Okay, and now I'm gonna make a method here for uploading the files. Okay, so I'll name it as upload, and under this I will pass the first thing as the argument is file name, okay, which you have to upload on the server, and another thing will be user. Okay, and user will be in the string. Okay, which you have got from cPanel from the hosting server, and also you must have the password for that, and also you must have the hosting IP address. So I'll use like this. Okay, all the things are here. So let me close this method. So now let's make the instance of ftpretty class. I will name it as f and call here ftpretty, and under this I will pass the host, the user, and the password. Okay, so it will be happen, and now I will get the file name. Suppose you have the file names from any of the drive like C drive dash any folder dash any folder dash then your file.txt, etc. So I will get only the file name, okay, from that file name argument. Okay, so what I will do that I will remove all the directory address from the file name and use only file name. So let me make you understand from a variable I am going to make here, and I'll name it as like only file name equal to file name. Okay, sorry, spelling is mistake here. File name dot split. I will split this file name with forward slash. Okay, so it will be splitted by forward slash, and I will use the last one. So I am giving the index -1, so it will be selected last one, that is the file name. Okay, suppose you have the file name like this. C drive slash any folder slash file.txt. okay, so it will split from the forward slash and use only the last one. okay, so file.txt will be in only file name. okay, so guys, let's now upload our file. okay, so I will use here app.put method, and under the put method I will use the file name which which I have to upload. okay, and now where I have to upload, suppose you have the directory like home dash your hosting address. okay, so after that I will make a folder here. okay, and it will be like my uploads. okay, so it will be created if it hasn't on your cPanel, so it will be created automatically, and after that I'll use only file name. okay, so this file name, this will be the file name under this folder. okay, that means only file.txt name will be saved in my uploads folder. And what is the file name which is to be uploaded? File name, that means the whole address like this. okay, so this will be here, and only file.txt will be on the server. okay, so on the server, as you can let me show you, on the server, suppose your address is like this, home address, and suppose z dash, then here my underscore uploads, this will be the new folder, and now your file.txt will be here. okay, like this. okay, I hope guys you have got it. So let me close this. okay, done. Let me save it and make another file. okay, now suppose I am going to test this thing from my application. Suppose I have made any application from tkinter, and this will upload any file to the server. okay, so let me make just a layout of that. okay, and now let me import this file underscore uploader module. okay, that means the file. So I will call here import file underscore uploader. okay, this will be the module name. okay, like this. okay, so it will be imported here, and now let me create the window from tkinter. And now let me create a button here, okay, and this button will upload the things. Okay, so I'm naming it U button, that means upload button, and let me call the button instance. And now it will be on root window, and the text on it will be upload file. Okay, and let me make this like relief for the button is groove, some width, some border depth, and here one method I will make here like select file. Okay, that means you can select file from tkinter, and this will be the method. Okay, and now let me pack this. Okay, we have done. Let me see how it will look, and I'll name it like tk underscore example. Okay, now save it and run this. I have not made select file. Okay, and so sorry, here I'll use command. Okay, command is equal to select file, and now let me make another method here, and this method will be named select file. Okay, and here I'm just using here pass for this time. Okay, so as you can see, this will be our just as example. Okay, this is just an example how can we upload the files from our applications like I'm using here tkinter. Okay, so here I'll make a file dialog box. Okay, so I'll use just like this. Okay, these are the file types, and let me call the file dialog, and I'll call ask open file name. Okay, ask open file name. Okay, so it will ask for the file name, and our initial directory, let me pass here initial directory. Okay, and this will be the same directory. Okay, so I'll pass dot /, and let me make the title of it, and its name will be like upload files. Okay, and the file types will be the files. Okay, which I have made here, files. Okay, done. And also here I'll call default extensions, and default extension equal to files. Okay, now let me close it, and now I'll check that if file is here. Okay, if file will be selected, then I will call file underscore uploader dot upload method, which I have made. Okay, and under this I will pass the argument, and suppose file name is the required argument. As you can see here, file name, it is required argument. Okay, so I will have to pass at least file name. Okay, so file name will be the file which you have selected from the file dialog box. Okay, and if file will be uploaded, then I will show a message here with message box dot show info. Okay, and under this I will pass firstly the title, and the first title will be like uploaded. Okay, and the second thing I'm gonna pass here is file which is to be uploaded, plus I will show a string here that uploaded uploaded successfully. Okay, so this will be the message here. Okay, under the show info. So it is closed, and now let me save it. Okay, and now time to pass here the username, the password, and the host. Okay, so here like this you will have the cPanel. If you have bought any hosting, then the current user will be shown here, and also the IP address will be shown here, which you have to copy and paste here on the host. Okay, and the user you have also to copy and paste here. Okay, and the password also you have to paste here. Okay, so you have here your user, your password, and host. If you have not made FTP accounts, then you can click on FTP account and you can create the FTP account so that you can upload or download the files on the server. Okay, so you can make like this. So I hope guys you have made that thing. Okay, now let's start uploading our files. So here is our file uploader. So let me save it first, and now here is our example. So save and run this. Now as you can see here that it is showing out upload file. Now let me click on this. So it is opening upload files dialog box, and it is showing out the first file type is text files and second is all files. Let me click on all files and let me upload a logo here of our channel. So try to upload, and now it is showing out that uploaded successfully. Okay, so where is our file? Let me check. We can go to file manager, and under this let me come out here in our folder my_uploads, and here as you can see it is showing out this png file here. Okay, so now the same thing, let us try to download. Okay, so how can we download? Let me copy this and now come to our file uploader example, and here let me comment out app.put. Okay, and just below here I will type here app.get. Okay, and this method will download the files from the server. Okay, so I will pass here slash my_uploads slash it will be in the string, and here I will pass the file name cid logo small.png which is on our server. Okay, and now what will be the name when it will be downloaded? So I'll name it like this here also. Okay, suppose I'm naming it at cid.png. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, and now suppose I'm making another file, so I will just copy it and paste, and I will name it download. Okay, and I'll remove the file name from here. Okay, so here app.put will not be here, just app.get will be here, and we can now, okay, so now let me call the download from our tk example. Okay, so I will come here under the tk example. Okay, and now here suppose I have made another button. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here, and I'll name it as D button, means download button, and here I'll name it download file. Okay, and now I will here directly pass the command from file underscore uploader dot download. Okay, so this download method will be called here, and all the things are required arguments, so nothing is to be passed. Okay, so it will be downloaded, and suppose I'll just here show a message in print command. Okay, in print command that file downloaded. Okay, file downloaded. Okay, if everything will be successfully happened, then it will show file downloaded, and we will check that this file is now come to our location. Okay, so let me change something like I will pass here right and the padding. Okay, let me check where is it. Sorry, it is not on the here. Okay, is here. Okay, now click on download file. Sorry, something is here, file name. Okay, sorry, here we have mistaken in download that we are just splitting this file, so we can remove this. Okay, now save, and now let me run this. Okay, now let me click on download files, and now we can see that here it has printed file downloaded. Now let me check on my directory. Okay, as you can see, here is the cid.png file which is downloaded right now. Okay, we can open this, and guys, it has downloaded. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and it is helpful for you. If you have not subscribed the channel guys, then please subscribe the channel, because we are regularly uploading very important things on this channel. Thanks for watching.